This is actually so comfy. We're gonna go ahead and open this thing up. And I always love opening these up. It's so satisfying. Now we gotta open up box number 2. And just a nice tip, whenever you're waiting for the couch to actually take shape, you wanna take the pillows when you first unbox this and fluff them up just like this. Let them take a little bit of shape, and that's gonna help you overall. But now that we got this couch fully unboxed and set up, I'm gonna wait about 72 hours for this to take full shape, and then I'll check back with you later. Right here I have the perfect cloud couch that you're looking for. What's up guys, my name is TJ, and today I'm gonna be reviewing this 108-inch boneless couch. Now this cloud couch is different than any other cloud couch I've reviewed so far because this comes in an amazing color called camel. It's gonna have a nice khaki tan color that just looks amazing and probably one of my favorites that I've seen so far. Now this company also has a lot of different colors that you don't see in cloud couches, so make sure you go ahead and check all of those out. Now guys, as I'm sitting on here, I can tell you right now, this is super comfortable. Now I'm gonna cut to a shot of me opening this cloud couch up. This did come in 2 boxes, and it's so satisfying to see this thing rise up and take shape out of a box, which makes this super practical if you have an apartment or you're just looking for something that you don't want to assemble that's really easy to move around the house. And not to mention, this is super comfortable because it does have a really high density foam all the way throughout that offers a ton of support. Now guys, this special model right here does come with the 2 ottomans. As you can see me sitting here, I have plenty of room. The ottoman's pushed all the way up to the edge of the couch, and I have additional room on the edge of my feet where I'm still not even hanging my feet off at all. So very comfortable. I'm 5'11", so I have tons of room on this couch, and you can actually fit up to 4 people on this couch, and I don't think you'd be crowded at all. And what I like about these ottomans is they're huge, so you can actually push them over and you can share the foot space with somebody else next to you, making it perfect to sit side by side with someone or just seat a bunch of people on a couch and watch a movie. We're also gonna get these 2 throw pillows on the side here, and look at the material, guys. This is absolutely insane. You can see the fibers changing back and forth when I move my hand. Super soft. This is literally one of the softest cloud couches that I have actually reviewed, guys, and I feel like I just want to lay my head on here and just take a nap. We got a bunch of foam in here that makes this super soft, so it feels good when it's on your ribs. Also guys, we're gonna have these back support pillows, and it's the same thing. We're gonna have the same exact material all the way throughout this whole couch. Now guys, what's special about these pillows is they're actually gonna have zippers on them, so you can actually take this off and you can wash this no problem. So if you're like me and as you're sitting on the couch for a long time, sometimes your back does sweat, don't worry because you can wash these very easily and quickly. And you are gonna get 3 of those, so it's gonna offer a ton of support for everybody on the couch. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look. All right, so check out how beautiful this couch looks. You can see the different shades going on because the fibers are literally so long that as I move my hand, it changes direction and gives it a really nice look. You can see that it goes lighter and darker. I absolutely love this color. It has to be one of my favorites that I've seen. It just looks amazing. Now, some features I love about this cloud couch is it's gonna have really nice wide armrests on here, so it's gonna make it nice if you want to put your cup of coffee here or a drink, or if you're like me, I like to put my laptop there and I like to do a little bit of work, and it sits there nice and flat and it's at a good height for me, so I really like that. On the back, you're gonna have a ton of room. This is gonna be more flat space, and I personally use the flat space in the back to put remotes or my phone. You can put some books, some magazines. You can even do a charging setup, plug your phone in and just set them on the back, have a docking station for your remotes and stuff. Really cool stuff. I love the space on the back. It's very usable. And guys, look at this. These are so soft. It's unbelievable. You can literally just throw your head on here and take a nap on here because actually really wide and you have a ton of room. Now, this is gonna actually be 4 separate pieces. So we're gonna have these 2 ottomans that you can actually move to the side. And again, if you're doing a party or something, you can easily push this over here. You can have people sitting here. You can have people sitting here, and you can have a nice conversation, making this really practical. Also, if you just want to use this as a couch, you can stuff these to the side and you can make this look a little bit cleaner depending on your style. Now this piece over here is going to be able to move on its own as well, making this really practical. Now let me show you something that I love about this couch. And just like that, with a couple moves, you have a nice bed that's super comfy. So you can actually have a couple people sitting around here, put your snacks in the middle, and make this a nice, cool, and comfy hangout area for you and your friends, or maybe even a sleepover for the kids. And just like that, you can put it back to a normal couch in seconds. Now this is actually so comfy, and I could definitely take a nap on here, no problem. Guys, wake me up whenever this review video is over. And this couch is completely filled with a high quality, high density foam that offers your back and legs a ton of support, making this super ergonomic. Now, if you're looking for a cloud couch, look no further, because this is one of my favorites with this very soft corduroy material, the high density foam that offers a ton of support, the versatility, the style and comfort of this cloud couch. It looks amazing in this camel color. Make sure you guys check out all the other colors they have to offer. Add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.